These two speakers are going up 3 weeks ahead of schedule. Why? We found out last night that the gig was today. But that's okay. You see, Tom here gives new houses to wounded veterans as part of the Tunnels to Towers Foundation, and he needs our PA system for the ceremony. So, we gotta get this thing done, man. For Tom. And the recipient of the home. But I talked a lot to Tom that day, and Tom ruled.
There's like a ton of ticks out here.
How do you know?
I can see them on the ground.
Where?
Well, they're all dead around the house, but...
Is that what those are?
Yeah, those big...
Yeah. Am I gonna have to like clean this off?
Maybe with some Clorox wipes. I mean, the poison is just bug kill.
Yeah. Professor Wing. These are so hot.
Just from baking in the sun for like 5 minutes.
Yep, pretty much. I'm gonna put them over here. And this to just keep the sun off the towels.
Keep the sun off of them?
Yeah. Why not? Put these wireless in here. Then I can put those back. We are doing wireless for this. To be completely honest, they didn't pay for that, and I didn't even quote them for it. I just am tired and don't want to do a wired run today, so I'm not going to do it.
Also thought this job was a month from now.
Yeah, also this job was originally supposed to be a month from now. So that's what's going on. There we go. Wireless mic. All right. Get my favorite loom of all time out. Oh yeah. Oh, I put red tape on the ends that go into the rack.
That's smart.
Yeah.
I literally was like, first thing Connor's gonna say is, now which side goes where?
Oh, that's hilarious.
What?
I taped it all. That was the wrong side.
Oh, the tape is not the side that goes into the rack?
No, but now I know. I didn't get all the way, I didn't unravel it and get all the way to the top. It's not overkill if they pay for it. They didn't pay for the one part, but they paid for the rest of it. Okay. Are those ticks? That thing?
That big old thing right there is a big tick.
Okay. I wasn't expecting big legs. I think we should go look for power on the other side building, perhaps, just to avoid running a line all the way across, yeah. It's gotta be something, right? And there's not. How is there no power? There is way over here. This will be fine. It's just a 2-amp speaker. Just enough. This might be like a record fast setup. Oh God. God, they're take up so much space, these feet. It's kind of crazy. There could be ticks in that. We are out in the middle of nowhere, so there's gonna be like ticks and stuff, obviously.
I mean, it's not like we don't have ticks in our neighborhood. We know we do.
Yeah, but I don't see them.
I don't see them either.
guess I should test the power, but...
I was just thinking you didn't test the power.
All right, hold on, let me go do that. Get my tool. This is grounded and correct.
I would hope so. The generator's hooked up too.
Also grounded and correct. Okie dokie. About right here. What do you think? Am I centered?
There you go.
Yeah, we still might want a sandbag actually. Feels like it can be tilted forward, but we'll do that in a minute. Get this wireless stuff out.
Put some fresh batteries in those.
I will in a minute, yeah.
So if you had like the EV ones, you wouldn't have to have those cables, right?
What?
If you had the EV ones, you wouldn't have to have those cables, right?
No, I don't think so. Or something maybe, I don't know. These are still the batteries from Joe T's.
They're like half full.
Yeah, pretty much. One of these I did a factory reset just to make sure that it wasn't broken. And the light's on at the front. It's this one. I like to keep these LEDs off.
Oh, the speaker?
Yeah. There we go. Get my iPad out. When did we get here?
9:20.
9:20? So it took us like 40 minutes to set up, something like that. This is my least favorite thing about the iPad. We're gonna put a sandbag in here so it doesn't tip over. Hey, check 1, 2. Hey, hey. Hey, check. Hey, hey. Cannot see this. Hey, check. Oh, yeah, that sounds pretty good to me. Let me tow him in a tad. Can't see anything. Hey, 1, 2. Hey, checking for that, like...
That issue from
Yeah.
last time?
Just to make sure they're both the same level.
Are they?
With the wireless pack. Hey, 1, 2, check, check, hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2, check, check, hey, 1, 2. Yeah. I think we're all good. Just put this in a good spot. Hey, check 1, 2. Hey, 3, 4, can you hear me out there? All good?
You want me to go out there?
Yeah, go out there for me. If you can hear me by the cars, I think we're okay.
I think we're good.
Okay.
How are you? Tom.
Connors, nice to meet you, Tom.
How are you?
Good.
Maybe just
Are you
check
doing the, yeah, let's do you quick.
Check.
It's muted.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Can I put lower this a little bit?
You can put it wherever you want, yeah. Yeah. Just make sure it's pointed up at your mouth and that's really it.
Check. Check. See me just
Yeah?
too low or too high? Let me
Yeah,
know.
I'll be here. If it's too loud, I'll just turn it down. You don't need to change
Oh, okay.
you don't need to change what you're doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I like that technology.
Yeah.
Beautiful thing.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I put this gooseneck on here yesterday, last second. And it actually worked pretty well. I got it off of Amazon, it was really cheap. It feels like it might sag a little bit under the weight of this, but it doesn't. It's just, I guess it's just easy maneuverable. I think it's 19 inches. But yeah, I think that worked really well. The family didn't want any of us filming the actual event, so we didn't. But it sounded just like the guy's mic test, which means that it sounded great. I feel like I should get like one of those umbrella hats. Ah! Ticks all over it, man.
All over the cord?
You're right, you're right. There's that. All right. Which one? Almost done. Let's go home.